Look. Wow, she's inside. Hi, welcome everyone, Chef Life YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a special bread from the butterfly pea flour. This is very healthy. So this is the main ingredients today. Today is a special day for us, like 11/11 in 2024. So I'll do this for you today special. All-purpose flour 500 gram, salt 10 gram, dry yeast 10 gram. No sugar, we don't use sugar. This is healthy bread. This is butterfly pea water. You can see it's nice blue color. So I'm going to start mixing now. I will use the hook. Slow speed, you will mix 3 minutes. Then you can go back to the high speed. So butter I will add after 5 minutes. You can see, look at nicely light blue color. This is organic. You can see 50% dough almost ready. So now I'm going to add the butter. You can see now dough almost ready. Not almost, it's ready now. So we are going to take out. You check the dough. When you see it's like nicely elastic, so you recognize this is ready. So now you can start make bread rolls. Now we are going to put in the prover. Around 30 minutes we will go for proving. Then we can go for baking. Let's see after 30 minutes. Now our bread is ready, so we are going to bake. Look, wow. This is cheese and sensata. (200°C). We're going to bake 10 minutes. Fan number 2. Our butterfly pea bread is ready, so we are going to take out. Wow, looks nice color. This is cheese and katarolu. So I'm going to place with olive oil. Olive oil will give you nice flavor and taste. It's very shy. Wow, I think this is a very good experience. This flavor and color is very natural and organic. This tea from special in Sri Lanka. We call this Nil Katarolu. This is very unique bread. So this is very special for Arabic people. I'm going to put some za'atar for the garnish. So let's taste one bread. Look, wow, cheese inside. Oh my God. Mm. Mm. Very nice. Nice taste, nice flavor. Yummy. Thank you very much, guys, for joining us. Thank you very much. Today is 11/11/2024. Wish you all the best, everyone. How you feel the taste?
Crunchy.
Taste and
This is
flavor?
good. Za'atar.
You feel natural?
Yes. Number one.
Thank you very much for your comment,
Many,
Mr.
many.
Adam.